My people, now welcome back to this channel. Make we look at the 7 wives of Ooni of Ife. Number 1, Olori Mariam Anako Ogunwusi. Ogunwusi married her on September 6, 2022. She happens to be the current first wife of the king. Mariam Anako hails from Ebira, Kogi State. She was born in 1982 and was raised under the care of a former Inspector General of Police, Mohammed Diko, after losing a father at a young age. Her mother is a retired police officer, while one of her sisters, Medina Anako, is a lawyer and a special advisor on intergovernmental affairs and Kogi State diaspora vocal point officer to Governor Yahya Bello. Mariam Anako was an admin manager at Nestor Limited. Next on the list, Olori Elizabeth Opeoluwa Ogunwusi, formerly known as Akinmoda. Olori Elizabeth Opeoluwa is only 4th public wedding since the throne. A marriage came just after Mariam Anako became the royal father's wife. The new queen is reported to be from Ondo State, and it is believed that she is based in Scotland. Number 3rd on the list, Olori Toby Philip. On October 9, 2022, exactly a month after Ooni married Olori Elizabeth, he took a new wife, Queen Toby Philip. Olori Toby is a native of Ekitikupa, Ondo State. Report says she has worked for the Ojaja for over 6 years before becoming his wife. The former beauty queen is a fashion entrepreneur and a model by trade. Toby is the owner of the QTP luxury fashion outlet. My people, make una no forget, this is still your TV. Where we say we dey bring on as the matter they go. If you never follow us, I beg do and make you follow us so that you go to hear better story and make you subscribe for more. Make we look at the next wife of Ooni of Ife. We hear say you don't go number 7. Where we say the man won't marry recently. Make we go to the next wife. Share your opinion also concerning this matter. Number 4 on the list, Princess Ashley Adegoke. Olori Ashley was born into a ruling family in Ile-Ife, the Lafigido. The princess is a certified chartered accountant with a master's degree in accounting and finance. Like in his last 4 marriages, the Ooni of Ife was absent during the wedding ceremony of himself and Princess Ashley Adegoke. From the University of Greenwich, she currently runs a private business in the UK. We quickly move to the number 5th on our list. Number 5th on the list is no other person than Princess Ronke Ademuluyi. Olori Ronke is the 5th newly wedded wife of the Ooni of Ife. She is the great-granddaughter of the late Ooni Ajagun Ademeluyi. In 2014, she founded a sister program named African Fashion Week Nigeria. In 2017, alongside the Ooni, she co-founded the QMA International Initiative. She is the founder of Sarah Forbes Bonetta, a non-profit organization that seeks to support the education of less privileged young girls in Nigeria and across Africa. Olori Ronke has produced over 20 fashion shows in Africa and Europe. My people, now still this channel we do where would they bring us they go. Make we look at the next wife. Number 6, Princess Temitope Adeshegun. The latest to join the long list of new Oloris of the Ile-Ife monarch is Princess Temitope Adeshegun. She is a Lagos-based media personality with vast experience working in the public and private sectors. She was the personal assistant to the former secretary to the Lagos State government, Princess Aderele Adeniran Ogunsoya, under the Babatunde Rajafashola administration. Olori Temitope is a graduate of business administration from the University of Lagos. She used to be the anchor of the show Lagos State Public Health Advocacy Program. Health-wise, the show ran for over 4 years. All this make the Ooni of Ife the 6th wife he had. But then Olori Opeoluwa Elizabeth didn't stay after the marriage, but she came back to have a proper marriage with the Ooni of Ife. What do you think, my protege? Please let's hear you on the comment section down below. Don't forget, this is the channel where we bring you the latest news, trending news and happenings all over the world. Please stay tuned and follow us for more. Hey people, shebi na only for Muslim who dey hear say a man dey marry more than one wife, but Ooni of Ife wey be king instead there the liability to marry more than one. Because Ooni of Ife go dey laugh with this one, laugh with that one. We don't know the one wey be say truly like. I beg make una share am. Una say go like more than Naomi among the Oloris. Let us hear you. Bye for now. See you on our next one.